So keep your chin up, so your crown doesn't fall. Remember, you're royalty.
Hair products have to be worked into the hair. Just slapping hair products on and then keeping it moving isn't good enough. As you can see, since you've been looking, my hair looks different from the time I've started into the time I'm working the product into my hair. And then as it pertains to length retention and stuff like that, you just really want to be cautious about like how you're using products in your hair. So you can see right now, all I'm doing is combing through my leave-in conditioner. Adding Olaplex 9. We got Olaplex 9, feeling fine. I ain't gonna lie, been lollygagging, washing my hair, and I have high porosity hair, so my hair dries super fast. So before I start blow drying is when I spray my hair with a water bottle. Other than that, I don't spray my hair with water bottles. You tell me, what do you think is healthy for your hair? The amount of time it's about to take me to blow dry this, or your, oh, here we go. Here goes the clip. Here you go, there it is. Let your hair air dry for 3 days, or you doing this. For the full line of Olaplex products that I am using, make sure you click the link in the description box below. Olaplex is my bond protector of choice, and I do not care to argue and go back and forth between what's your favorite. You know, Olaplex is just my favorite. All right, links in the description box below if you would like to read my blog to learn more, or if you want to get you some. All right, now there is a full Olaplex playlist where you can understand the science behind it. Check the links below, because that's not what this video is about. At this point, I am just going ahead and blow drying my hair. The only thing in my hair right now is a very small amount of Olaplex 9. Most of the time, the reason that people say that they don't like Olaplex and they don't like the way that it feels is because they're using it wrong. Olaplex is a product that was originally made for professional hairstylists, so it is a very concentrated product. It's a molecule, so the more you use of it, the less likely you're going to like the product. If you don't follow the directions, you're not going to get the result that you want, and if you use too much product, you won't get the result that you want. But I do want you guys to know that it is time for me to color my hair. My hair is not colored. There is no type of extra shine treatment that I gave myself. This is no clear rinse or anything. All of the shine and luster you will see from my hair is from Olaplex 9. After this point here, there is nothing on my hair. No Olaplex 7, no oil, nothing. The only thing that I am spraying on my head is the heat protectant that I use from Kenra. I've been using it for years, all right? But over maybe the past year or some change, you guys have noticed my hair thinning out in some places. This is due to hidradenitis suppurativa. Hidradenitis suppurativa is something that affects the sweat gland, and the sweat glands are very prevalent in my scalp. And I live in the desert. I live in Las Vegas, Nevada, where there's like tumbleweed rolling around, all right? And for that reason, when I sweat in my scalp, I get extreme inflammation that does end in balding. Check the full playlist so you can go ahead and catch up and learn all about HS, because maybe you may have it. But this is the way that you handle HS in your head when you don't want to do a big chop. So at this point, we are at the stage to get rid of quite a bit of length. Remember, the average follicle has anywhere between 1 to 4 strands, right? So when I have an outbreak in my scalp, those spots that I have the outbreak in, which is normally the middle of my head and on the right side of my temple, normally in that spot, instead of me having 4 strands per follicle, because my hair naturally is very thick, instead of me having 4 strands per follicle, I'll have like 1 in those spots. So then as my hair begins to grow back, the hair that was in that spot, because it went from, like I said, it didn't go 100% bald, right? But instead of 4 strands per follicle, it was like 1 to 2. So those hairs that were left within that follicle are still there, and that's the lines of demarcation and the unevenness that you will see. So at this point, I'm going ahead and getting rid of all of these lines of demarcation. Those are the places where things are beginning to even out, where the hair that was missing before from the balding is coming in, and that will leave a line of demarcation. And instead of me constantly shaving my head every time I have an outbreak, this is how I do it. So for all of the grandkids and bald-headed skittle diddles nieces and nephews that have been like, why your hair thin? Hydrogenated Superativa. And the way to get rid of thinning and balding in the hair is not always to just completely shave your head. The only time you're shaving your head is if the ends are split. But my balding came from literally from the follicle, directly from the root. So my hair shaft wasn't infected in any way, shape, or form, which is the main reason why I did not just shave my head and do a big chop, which is also the reason why sometimes you'll see thin spots in my hair, or sometimes my ends won't look as thick as they normally do. Big chopping all at one time is not always the best thing to do. And when I was standing behind the chair, this is the way that I was able to repair my clients' hair without shaving all of their hair off. And when everybody was doing the big chops, it was driving me crazy, because I'm like, guys, you don't have to cut all of your hair just because of one bald spot. But the thing is, it's not a easy, like, instant fix. As you can see, this is something that took some months, right, for my hair to catch up, because first I had to repair my follicle from the HS outbreak, and then after that, then I was able to go in there and then begin working and repairing my hair shaft. All right, so you guys make sure you keep watching. I want this to be a channel where you have no shame, okay? Because listen, it's a myth that everybody has that everybody's hair is going to be thick and luxurious and long. But the truth of the matter is, balding happens, thinning happens, telogen effluvium and different things that attack the hair follicle happen. But if you know what you're doing, and if you understand the science of hair, you can reset the follicle on the internal level and start from scratch. Make sure you check the links in the description box below so you can download my ebooks, join my 7-day hair growth challenge, or just join Guru VIP, where I give you the tools that you need to get from point A to point B. There's so many different ways you can work with me, guys. You can even book a one-on-one consultation. All of the links will be left in the description box below. But know that hair care, scalp repair, and hair maintenance and length retention is a long game. It is not something that can be accomplished in a short period of time. You have to have commitment, and there has to be a sense of longevity and repetition. All right, let me know what you think about this video in the comments below, and make sure you stay tuned, because there's so much on the way. I am excited to show you guys how my hair looks when it is original density, like getting full and thick, and I'm gonna show you guys step by step. I don't care what anybody has to say, because you're gonna see that growing healthy hair and repairing your hair is not hard. It just takes commitment. All right, I love you. Let's kick it.
Got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back. Cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lies, wings we can fly, with you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning, not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy.
less than you. Just wish that I knew how something like that could happen. Maybe it's just in passing, 'cause nothing is everlasting, no. But like really though, how do you know that I can overcome all of the obstacles? She just looked me in the eye, said it's gonna be alright, 'cause I know that's how it goes. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever. Forever. No, it won't, 'cause no one ever does. You just have to learn to trust whenever. Whenever. As blue as the sky above you. It's true that it won't end this way. If you lose, take a second.
This is the spot that I was talking about. So at this spot, well, on this spot, it was skin bald. So the shorter pieces that you're seeing are not broken hair. This is new hair, right? Brand new hair that had fell out. So whenever you see hair that looks thinner, don't automatically go to a big chop and shaving off all of your hair. That's why seeing professional, a good professional, is really important.
The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever. No, it won't, 'cause no one ever does. You just have to learn to trust whenever. As blue as the sky above you. It's true that it won't end this way. If you lose, then get sad about it. Just know it's gonna go away. As blue as the sky above you. It's true that it won't end this way. If you lose, then get sad about it. Just know it's gonna go away.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about hell in my business, no time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this poppin' like woo, big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Hate that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. Order in the court. Me first, you sure. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. Ooh, it's my time.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, your applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing the cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing.